And on we'll go.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Amanda. This is Miss Glamazon, Fab Over 40. You are all very welcome to my little humble neck of the woods. I hope you'll stay. This is a treat for everybody. It's an unboxing. So, cut in here to the unboxing. And here we are. Time for an unboxing, my friends. I am going to do my best to make sure you guys can see this. I'm not dressed. That's why I'm not in it. Just hold your hats. Now, my lovely subscribers, we're going to have to try and rip this box open. I do know what's in it because I've been waiting for it. But at least I think I know what's in it. It's the most tightly wrapped. My God. This thing is wrapped up tighter than a nun's knickers. Holy shit. Okay. We're going to have to really... Oh, it comes... It's wrapped in. It's very well wrapped here. I'm telling you guys, these people know how to wrap up their shit. Let's see if we've any luck getting her out. Take out the packaging. Get out. Okay. Those of you with half a brain will have twigged that this is a handbag. Yes, my friends, it is a handbag unboxing. Look, I have always wanted this particular purse, but regrettably, it's just too expensive. This should come as a hint, my friends. I don't know, I can't remember what the bird, it looks like it's not a swan. We have a swan on the front of it. Now, come on, you posh handbag lovers, you're all going to know what handbag has a swan on it. A dust bag with a swan. So we unwrap her up here now and we look. Look at this, guys. What is it? That's right. It's a Lady Dior. It's a mini Lady Dior. Oh, she smells lovely as well. Now, I know she's fake as now, I'm sorry guys, but I tell you, this is not the real deal, just so people know. I wish she was real. Now she comes. She even has the little dust bag wrapped around the little Dior, I can't remember what these things are called, charms, Dior bag charms. Now let's open her up. Let's see what comes on the inside. Oh, she has the little flap, same as the real deal. She has a leather chain. And then if you open her up, she also has, she has an extra chain here, guys. I apologize, I'm not showing myself on camera. I'm in my pajamas, guys. You really don't need to see me for this. It doesn't feel cheap, guys. It really doesn't. It feels quite nice in the hand. The chain is very substantial. Okay, I will be straight on the real deal. The chain is not like this. This, you know, like, yeah, it's, and this chain one would not be able to be worn crossbody. It's not long enough. Okay, so we are still unpacking the bag, as one does. Now, oh my goodness. I will link a couple of sites below where you can purchase this particular item. The quality is quite good. I mean, okay, granted, I have seen the real deal. I've held the real deal in my hand. So I do know the difference in quality would be substantial. However, it's sturdy, it's extremely pretty, and I'm delighted that I'm getting a chance to unbox her with you guys. And the unboxing continues as I unwrap all the shit that comes wrapped around this bag. I must say, they do package her up extremely well. Holy shit. Are you kidding me? Oh, they have on the inside, they have the zipper pull, has Dior on it, Christian Dior on it. I need that zipper up. Clearly there's no paperwork with it, as it is not a real deal. I need that zipper open. There's a good bit of space in here, actually. I'll fit a good amount of shit in this bag. Okay. We're going to see how the name of crap do you get this off? Even here is all, I'll have to figure that one out now. Pull all the plastic off her. There's a lot of plastic on her. This is good. She's very, very soft. The leather is very soft. Very soft. It's a beautiful handbag. Way cheaper than the 3,800 that Dior charge for a Lady Dior. I'm sorry guys, but I mean there are universes in which people can afford that kind of money. But unfortunately, Amanda doesn't live in one of those. And I'm not sure now, thinking about it. Now, I do have one real designer bag. Well, no, actually I have a few. I have, if anyone wants to see my designer handbag collection, please holler down below. No point me talking about them, when I can show them. I have sold a couple of my designer handbags on Depop, and I do have a third one on sale in Depop, a beautiful handbag that it just is wasted in my collection because if it's not small and I can't fit it on my and I can't carry it in my hand, then to be honest with you, if it's not light, I have arthritis, and I have the arthritis rather bad sometimes, and I just don't carry heavy bags anymore. This thing is seriously well packed. I'm impressed. Not everybody packs up their bags. It's not even that it's packed. The hardware on it is it's the gold hardware, and I'm just gonna have to be very careful I don't scratch it. I think it's a beautiful pink. I'm looking forward to getting some use out of it. Fabulous handbag. Now, very hard to get all the shit that they have on it off of it. I'm not complaining, lads. Could be worse. They could not have been picky with their wrapping of the bag, because this crowd I got it from. As I say, I will try to link the site, a couple of sites for you down below, where you can go and purchase said products. And after I've used this for a little while, I will do a comprehensive bag review and what's in it, what it holds, that sort of thing. Because this is information that you guys need when you are going shopping for a new purse. You need to know what you're going to be able to squish into it, if anything. Right, I do like this. Now, this part of it here at the front, as we know, it ain't real, so that ain't going to feel particularly, bougie. Still trying to unpack this. Holy shit. What the fuck? Ah, come on, lads. Jesus Christ. There's packing it up and there's taking the piss, like. Seriously. I'm going to have to get a man to get this off. I'm not going to be able to get that off. Not with my arthritis. That ain't coming off anytime soon. What the fuck? It's worse than super glue. I've no idea. This could take a week to get this off, so we may leave this on. This is what I purchased. as I say, the flap is there. This is the inside of the bag. Now the only thing is, I don't like on the inside here, the zipper pull isn't great. Let's smell it and see if I think that might be leather. I'm just showing you the inside of it. There will be a little gap in between some of these clips. There's the inside of it. Looks like your typical mini Lady Dior. Fits on the wrist. Can be worn crossbody. I don't like this strap, the way it's done. It's not like the real thing, it doesn't budge. As I've said, I've seen the real deal, so I actually know what the real deal looks like, feels like in the hand. It's quite a lot heavier in weight than this. Quite a lot heavier, but you know what I mean? There's a huge price difference between $3,000 and less than 100. Let's just see if she'll fit crossbody. Bit short for crossbody, unfortunately. At least with that strap. With that strap, she's too short for crossbody. But if I'm wearing her over the shoulder, then, you know, that's perfect. Now we have the leather strap. Let's hope this fella's a bit longer. The answer is... I think I'd prefer the leather strap, to be honest. I know everybody... If I was going out of an evening, I'd put the fancy strap on her. But... But I find these chain straps are quite heavy. And bulky when you're carrying it, the bag. And of course, with my poxy fingers... Let's see. Might get lucky with this one. I like wearing my handbags crossbody. So when you're clipping a strap onto a Lady Dior, you put it on the front, on the opposite side to where your charms are, and on the back, crisscrossed on the opposite side. And that is, it serves two purposes. One, your charms don't get damaged, and two, it holds your straps up. And that, my friends, completes a rather long-winded unboxing video for you. I hope you've enjoyed. You'll see me in the intro before, you'll see me in the outro. Thanks for watching now. You'll see me in the outro in just a few seconds, and I won't be in a pair of bloody pajamas. Well now, lovely people, I really sincerely hope you all enjoyed that little unboxing. Isn't she lovely? Just added to my collection. You gotta love a new handbag, guys. I love my luxury. I just wish I had the financial offensiveness, as in the obscene amount of money to finance a luxury lifestyle, but unfortunately I don't. In case anybody's wondering what I'm wearing around my neck, this is from a company called Betty and Biddy. They're absolutely fantastic. Their jewellery is excellent quality and excellently priced, competitively priced, and this video is not sponsored. I just love their stuff. So I'll link them down below. I will also link the bag down below for you all. So if you haven't subscribed, why not? Why have you not subscribed to my channel? Ah, now lads, hello, it's free. If it was costing you a few bob, I'd say something, but it's free. Come on, get in there. Hit the button, hit the bell, join the fam. Listen, I hope you've enjoyed that unboxing. I have an empties coming next week and a few other little bits and bobs in the pipeline. So anyway, it's Friday. I'm wishing you all a good weekend and take care and God bless. And see you in my next video. Bye.